I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Biggest question we always get is, what is the scar going to look like? Well, here's a perfect example of our scars. And let's get up really close here and see if you can see this scar. So when you're getting super excited about getting a hair transplant and you're not sure between the FUE or the FUT, and depending on your hair texture, number one, or how big of an area that you need to have filled, don't ever go ahead and rule out getting an FUT, the strip procedure. You get a lot more hair follicles for every procedure. And if you have curly or wavy hair, you're guaranteed not to damage the follicular bulbs when trying to extract them through the FUE approach. Again, can't even see where the scar is. It is a fine pencil line scar. I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. If you're interested in getting a hair transplant, you're worried about the FUT procedure, call us. Let us explain to you how simple it is. I actually have two myself, and I don't think you can see my scar either.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.